Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful quick meal Silvano espresso machine. Now for this machine, it was brought here because it was having problems with the flow of on the group head. Sometimes the water pump will stop, sometimes the water pump will just pump the way it's supposed to, but it was having an intermittent issue. And that was because the water pump needed to be replaced. This water pump that you see right here is from 2011. So it's been working there for a while and it was a good time to replace it. We also replaced the valve of the machine as well to make sure that the machine doesn't have any other issues with it. And this one was leaking a little bit as well. It was not providing a good seal from the boiler into the water tank. You can kind of see it. Sometimes a lot of steam will come out through here, through this side. That's when the air valve is not working, it's not doing its job. And you can also do a couple of tests once you have the machine open to check it out. Even though you sometimes do not see steam coming over here, you can still see it once you open it up and check inside the machine. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Hopefully I pick up the right ground settings of this machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Now as you can see, water pump goes all the way to 9 bars, which is perfect. We're having nice extraction coming out of the machine and coming out of the spouts. Good color. Pressure still the same, 9 bars. Perfect. Good crema forming at the top of the cup. Good shot of espresso. Nice color. Looking great. And as you saw, the water pump was not fluctuating and it had a constant pressure overrun. And look at that water flow coming out of the group head. Amazing. Now for the steamer, we're going to test that out as well. The steam is almost instant over here. You can see all that steam coming out. Working really well. Nice steady steam coming out of the thermo block, working excellent, really great temperature. I'm burning my hand right here, working excellent. And there you have it, Quick Meal Silvano working once again. So thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.